Here with the workers in the morning. Our, our awning is in need of repair. We've got the caravan booked in tomorrow to get the awning repaired and the airbags and a few other things looked at.
We just had the awning replaced
Yeah,
in April.
March, April.
Completely replaced. A new one put on because that previous one had tears in it. Now we have to get it fixed because when they put the new one up, they didn't anchor it properly. And now there's about 40 centimetres.
About
Is it?
About 4 foot.
Okay, fisherman's centimetres.
It's about big. So needs to be taken off and re-glued and re-screwed because all the screws are pulled out.
Glue and screw.
Yeah, that's it. Here's my hat. It's getting windy.
Westcloud Farmstay lodge here is on 20 acres. Quite a lot of bush. There's horses and chickens and
A rooster that crows all day. But it depends where you camp, whether you hear it or not.
Yeah.
We're camped down that end, but if you're up in the bush, then probably not so much.
If you've got dogs, just a little bit of a warning. The farm dog, two of them, are off the leash.
Ted and
yeah, go wherever they want. So if you've got an aggressive dog, probably not the idea because they tend to just hang around and they're friendly.
Yeah, very friendly dogs, but we went for a walk the other day and the dog came with us all the way. There is a trotting track around here, so
yeah.
Go for a walk around there later maybe.
A horse trotting track, yeah, that was good.
There are apparently koalas in the trees and there's kangaroos in the evening. Quite a bit of bird life.
And there's midges or mosquitoes, one of the two. Because I ended up one night with like 10 bites and swelling up on my legs and everything.
Yeah, you can have fires here, but just check that it's not total fire ban. Most of the time you can have fires, and there are some fire pits around. And there's random chairs around the place. Like, there's chairs and there's some toys.
That was probably a collectible. That was creepy.
There is a creek running through. Imagine it could get